In the meantime, let me go ahead and turn these machines on. And let's do some verification. I haven't done that. That's very important to do so, because I assume that it's working. But let me just see if I can ping from this Ubuntu machine. I can ping this interface. Alright, so let's do that. We can also run perhaps a trace route or trace cert here. So let's do clear. Let's do ping 172.16.10.1. Alright, we're getting a reply. Let's do ping 172.16.20.63, which is a server. We get a reply. Shouldn't be able to ping it. We should actually block that, but so it's not discoverable. It's so easy with the ICMP protocol. Let's do ping 192.168.1.0. Getting a reply back. Okay, let's do a ping 192.110.10.1.2. Getting a reply back, so that's good. We haven't set this IP address here, so I'm not going to be able to ping it. So everything looks well and fine. Alright, so let's continue with our lab. Alright, so let's set this one up. So the configuration is very similar to switch 2 and the other side. So let me go ahead and move this out of the way. So we're going to do conf t. Let's do IP routing, because we're going to use this as a layer 3 switch. The next step is, first, before this setting up this one, let me set up the VLANs here so it can propagate as a VTP server. Both of them, the first mode is server, so once the VLANs here are created, they should propagate via the trunk ports and the EthernetChannel here. So let me do that first on this switch. So let me go ahead and conf t VLAN 10. It's gonna name it PCs. VLAN 20. It's gonna name it server. Okay, let's go exit here. Let's put the trunk. Let me separate them actually. So let's go to interface range Ethernet 1/0/1, which is these two interfaces here. Let's go ahead and do switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 10. That's where they belong to. Let's do exit here. Let me move this out of the way so I can see the server IP address, the VLAN that it belongs to. What is the interface? It's going to be Ethernet 2/0. Okay, so interface Ethernet 2/0. Let's do switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 20. Okay, perfect. So we have done that. Let's set up this Ethernet channel, and as well the port, put them on the Ethernet channel. Okay, so let's go to the range interface, exit here, interface range Ethernet 0/0/1 to 2, which are these two right here. And then we're going to do switch port and switch port trunk and cap switchboard trunk encapsulation. Let's do switchboard trunk. Should be encapsulation dot 1Q. Misspell the switchboard here. Switchboard. I have dot 1Q. Dot 1Q switchboard trunk mode trunk. Okay. So we have, let me verify this. Exit. And then forgot to set up, so let me go back. Internet range, Ethernet. Let me just copy this and paste it here. Okay, so I forgot to do the channel group. One mode desirable. Okay, so let's create that interface port channel into a trunk. So let's go to interface port channel 1 switchboard trunk. Alright, so let's continue with switchboard trunk encapsulation dot 1Q, and then switchboard mode trunk, and let's make sure it's a switchboard. Okay. Alright, perfect. Let's end this. Let's do show VLAN brief. Okay, so let's make sure we have assigned this. Let's do show EthernetChannel summary. Okay, so it's down now because the other side hasn't been connected, but just verifying the ports. 01, 02. Okay. Let's go ahead and set this config T VTP mode is already server, so let's do domain Cisco. Okay, so we have to set up the other switches domain the same. And let me see here, show VTP status. Okay, so we have domain name Cisco here. Let's do show interface trunk. Okay, so we have this trunks here set up as trunk 802.1Q. So under trunking, perfect. Now let's set up the other switch. That will be our next video. I would like to thank you for watching, and then please subscribe to this channel if you like these videos.